We are going to make a custom playing card as a groom's gift. This image here is a play on the original King of Hearts, but instead he has a cigar and a beer. So let's get started by connecting to the xTool F2 Ultra UV laser machine in the xTool Design Studio. You're gonna select Mode Flat Surface Processing. Next, we look through Materials. We're gonna want to look for black metal business card. Make sure to apply those settings so you start with settings predetermined as ideal for the specific material. I think we proceed with the default settings: 300 dot duration, 90 power, 500 DPI, 1 pass, 40 frequency. We'll keep Jarvis selected for bitmap mode and just use the standard bi-directional engraving. We place the card in the machine, so we want to refresh the camera. Then in the Design Studio, we can auto-measure the distance. After any changes, make sure to refresh the image. We're going to place our design over top the card. You may need to unlock the sizing to resize. You can just go up here to this small icon. Toggle to unlock it, and then you'll be able to manipulate the image to the correct shape. This may result in some stretching of the image, but at this size, that is okay. Okay, and once you have your design where you want it, then we'll go ahead and hit Process. Here's a quick tip. I zoomed in a little closer, and you can see there was a white border on the outside of my design image. And I think it'll be a little bit easier to see where the edge of my design is as to how it aligns with the playing card if I do a little edit. So if you do have a background in your image and you want to get rid of that, you're going to go up here to edit the options in the side pane, go Select. You can select AI Cutout. I don't think we need the AI option since what we're removing is so basic, so we'll remain here and use Manual Cutout. And we're just going to select this outside white area, click it, and everything in that area disappears with one click. Anything in white won't engrave. So it's not too important to get this detail inside, but we do want to see where the outside of our design fits on the card. Let's confirm and take a peek at how it looks. Without this step, we would have been off just slightly, so we'll recenter our card and then process our image. That looks much better to me. All right, let's process. We can see we do have an invert color recommendation. Let's assume we've never done this before, so let's go ahead and process and see what it looks like. So satisfying to watch. However, it did not turn out well. Keep watching to see why. Since we did not invert as suggested, we are looking at a negative of the photo. This will not be the result of a gift we are looking for, but that's okay. Learning is part of life. So we decided to go ahead and invert our image. You can do that by selecting your image, clicking on the Adjust option, and making sure that Invert is checked. So let's process our image again. I think this is going to work, so we'll speed up the video for the full engraving. There you have a very detailed, intricate, one-of-a-kind, unique gift.